Oh. There. Now you can see me. Hi, I'm Mary. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a blessed day. I wanted to show you my Gabe's haul that I got. I just got home from the doctor and I went to Gabe's before I got home. I had to get some more fall decor for my living room and front porch. And I need another purse, so I got one while I was there. If you're wondering what Gabe's is a lot like TJ Maxx, except for it's bigger. Let's start off with my purse. Get my wallet out of it. I threw my wallet in it, so. I got a couple of candles. Oh my god, they smell so good. Vanilla and cedar wood. Floor Aries. I paid $6.99 for it. And here's another beautiful one. Stone and Moss Candle Company Autumn Nights Natural Soy Wick Candle. Both of these are 2 wick candles, I'm sorry. Oh, so masculine. It smells so good. And here's the purse. I think I paid $16.99 for it. Yeah, $16.99. Comes with strap, zipper compartment, and just a couple of regular compartments in here. Get the receipt and put my wallet back in here. But yeah, that's cute. Set that over there. Okay. I got a couple of throws for fall. They're both the same ones. I thought these were beautiful. Motif luxury velvet throw, oversized 50 by 70 inches. I paid $10.99 for it each. Oh, so beautiful and soft. I love the beautiful colors on it. And I got 2 of those. I got some picks while I was there. I got these. I got 4 of them. This is all they had. And they're by Old Time Pottery. And they're $4.99 a piece. Isn't that pretty? They're going to go on my big vases over there. I got some more picks. These are lovely. They were $3.50 a piece on clearance. I don't know what their original price was. They're by Old Time Pottery as well. They only had 2, so I got 2 of them. And these are gorgeous. I only found one red one. That's Old Time Pottery as well for $2.99. And they have these acorns on them. And I got 2 orange ones. And I got a bunch of wax melts. Their wax melts are $1.29. Barnyard Breeze. They all smell so good. I got like 2 of each kind of 3 kinds. Let's see if I can get these back in this bag. And I got 2 wreaths. Let me get them for you right quick. This one I'm hanging up in the living room. It was $24.99. And this one's going on the front door, and it was $14.99. And they're both by Old Time Pottery. And that was my haul for today. Stay tuned for fall decorating. Now I got a mess in the living room. My husband's gonna kill me. But I love it. Oh God, I gotta smell this. It smells like a man that just got out of the shower. Oh God. Alright. Thank you, and you have a blessed day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand.